Hello everyone, so for the next 2 nights I'm staying at this hotel, B&B Hotel Stuttgart-Zuffenhausen. I've been given room 419 depending on how you look at it. It's the 4th floor if you follow the American standard and the 3rd floor if you follow the international standard. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a room tour. Now instead of the traditional key card, you use a PIN code to enter the room. Okay, so that is the floor plan together with some information for the hotel. To the left as you enter the room, some hooks to hang clothes on. Next to it, a mini cupboard to hang more stuff and store stuff as well. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right are a couple of light switches. The one on the right turns on the light for the room and the one on the left is the light for the bathroom. And speaking of the bathroom, here it is. With the shower to the left. The sink, a mirror, and the toilet to the right. A desk area with a couple of stools below. Climate control panel. Bedside tables with plug and light switch. On that side are only a couple of switches, but that is the bed. Looks quite nice. A large mirror. Hello. And right there are a few shelves to store items in. Flat screen Samsung TV. A picture of those are Porsche gauges and Porsche wheels and stuff like that, which is actually okay because the Porsche museum is only about 500 meters away, so I can walk there. And I plan to do that probably tomorrow. Okay, back to the room. As for the view, it is of the parking lot right next, or rather behind the hotel, a construction site, and a building right there. If you do not want to open the window that big, you can always open it up as a vent as well. Okay, so that's it for the room tour of room 419 at the B&B Hotel Stuttgart-Zuffenhausen. Thanks for watching and goodbye.